Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk through the new update that makes creating work orders faster by automatically updating location and trade information without refreshing the page. To begin, open the Create Work Order page. When you enter a location number, the corresponding location details, including the address, will automatically populate without requiring a page refresh. Next, select the appropriate trade. The trade information will update instantly without reloading the page. If the selected trade has troubleshooting questions configured, those questions will also appear automatically, allowing you to complete them as part of the work order creation process. Previously, selecting a location or trade would trigger a page refresh before the information was displayed. With this update, everything updates automatically, creating a faster and smoother workflow. This enhancement helps reduce unnecessary page reloads, making work order creation quicker while ensuring all relevant location details, trade information, and troubleshooting questions are available immediately.